we're just going to do a few practice problems. So if we use the conversion factors that are on our formula sheet, we might do something like 7 feet to inches. We would say 7 feet times, we would look on the formula sheet, and we would say that if we want to get rid of feet and go to inches, we can say that in 1 foot there are 12. It's not how you write 12. Let's try that again. 12 inches. Feet and feet cancel. 7 times 12 will get us 84. For I, 3 yard is being converted. This symbol means inches. So for I, we could say 3 yards times, do our unit fraction so we can cancel out yards. I'm going to put in inches, and I know that in 1 yard there are 36 inches. So 3 times 36 should get us, well, 90 plus 18, so 108. We could also do I another way. We could do it by converting first to feet and then to inches. So I'm going to do this maybe up on the top here. So I'd say 3 yards times, and I want to go get rid of yards. Maybe I only remember, or I only have written down how to go from yard to foot. So in 1 yard there are 3 feet. That's 1 unit fraction. And if I want to make another conversion, I can just do another one right in line. So yards and yards have canceled out. And now feet and feet need to cancel out, so we can go to inches. So 1 foot is still 12 inches. And here we would do 3 times 3 over 1 times 12 over 1. Feet and feet cancel. Yard and yard have already canceled. This is 3 times 3 times 12, which is 9 times 12, which is again 108. If we have something that has mixed units, we might want to pay more attention. So here the doorway is 6 foot 2 inches high, and we want to convert it into inches. The inches are already in inches. We don't need to do anything to those 2 inches except for not forget about them. But the 6 feet we do need to convert. So the 6 feet, we're going to convert to inches. We're going to get rid of feet, go to inch, and we know that 1 foot has 12 inches. So feet and feet cancel. 6 times 12 will be 72. So that's 72 inches, and we already had 2 inches from the beginning problem. So we end up with 74 inches. So this 2 inches we didn't have to do anything to. We just had to remember, hey, it's still there. The 6 feet was 72 inches, but the 2 inches that were above 6 feet, we just needed to not forget about. If we have something like here, see, Fred has grown to 77 inches. 77 inches, and it wants the answer in feet and inches. So for that to work, we need to first find out how many whole feet that is. So 77, if we want to go 77 inches times unit fraction, get rid of inches, go to feet. 77 inches times, in 1 foot, there are 12 inches, times 1 over 12 is going to be, just a moment while I pull up a calculator, what's 77 over 12? 6 and a bit. So if we put it on the calculator, we get 6.416 repeating. 6 is the full number of feet. So we can say that for the feet, there are 6 of them for sure. But there are also these, this fraction of a foot, this 0.416 repeating of a foot. This bit of length needs to go back into inches. So this 6.416 means I need to take that 0.416, 0.16 repeating, and that number is currently in feet, and I need to change it back so that I can cancel out feet into inches, so it can go into this category right here. So feet and feet will cancel, and in 1 foot there are 12 inches. So if we take our 0.416 and we multiply it by 12, we find out that we have 5 inches remaining. So 5 inches goes here, and 6 feet go there. So Fred has grown to 77 inches means the same as Fred has grown to 6 feet 5 inches tall.